And a special thanks and shout out to Community Nissan of Bloomington, Indiana for allowing me to film a test drive review of this 2019 Nissan Altima SV. Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and I'm here at Community Nissan in Bloomington, Indiana, and I am inside the all-new 2019 Nissan Altima. Today, we're going to take the Altima on a detailed test drive. I'm going to do my miscellaneous ramblings on how the ride is, the drive is, fuel consumption, just overall, uh, ideas and opinions about how the new car drives. So far, it's a pretty nice car. I like the design. I like the way it looks. So without further ado, join us on this test drive. Alright, and as stated before, we're just going to do a test drive review. It'll be about a little bit less than 5 minutes. But we're just going to do my favorite loop around Bloomington, Indiana. This is one I always do whenever I do test drive videos. It's about 15 miles, and it does consist of some in-town driving as well as on the highway. So it is a nice little mixed loop. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I found out about the Altima is how incredibly quiet it is. It's much more quieter than the outgoing model. Now this vehicle is not equipped with the variable combustion or variable compression engines. It has the same 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder that the outgoing Altima has. However, it has been retuned, so it is a lot less buzzy and a more smooth and more refined. So the first thing I found out when driving this car is how quiet it is. It's also very, very smooth. The noise you heard before was actually the lane departure system. It was telling me that I was crossing over the lines. It does give steering wheel feedback as well. Overall first impressions are the car is very, very refined, almost Maxima-like, and I did state that in my walk-around video as well as how similar to the Maxima the new Altima is. So we're getting ready to get onto the highway. Here is just an on-ramp acceleration. It does accelerate pretty nicely. The new CVT transmission has also been retuned, so it does feature like artificial shift points, and the engine is actually a little bit more responsive, so overall it's very nice. And here we are cruising on the interstate. It's a new Interstate 69 that travels from Evansville all the way to Martinsville. It's a nice open road. This is where the car really shines. Also, the new Altima features semi-autonomous driving, as you can see here. It does feature lane centering in conjunction with the adaptive cruise control. Now, it will display warnings every so often to place your hands back on the wheels. If you don't do it after a time, it will beep and it will deactivate the system. So it can handle small curves, but the sharper curves you have to be in control. But it is kind of nice to know that semi-autonomous driving is standard equipment on the SV. Alright, we're back in town. We're off the highway and we're getting ready to go back to the dealership. So a little bit more city driving here. Again, the buzz coming up here in a few seconds, that is the lane departure warning telling me that I've crossed the line. I like demonstrating that so people can see actually how it reacts to the car. It does nudge the steering wheel over a little bit to get you back in the center. I'll just kind of keep quiet here so you can kind of see how quiet the car is and how nice the cabin is. Overall, I really like the way it is, and you can see here we're averaging 33 miles per gallon on this 15-mile loop, which is very, very impressive for a car like this. So overall impressions of this new car, I am very, very impressed and was very excited to drive it. Alright, and that does conclude our test drive of the 2019 Nissan Altima. We hope the review was informative. If you like this video or would like to see more like it, press the like button and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and also check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. As always, thanks for watching.